What you are seeing right now wasn't sculpted by hand. It was generated by AI and built it just in few minutes. This is character 1, a goblin. Traditionally, modeling something like this in Blender would take hours, sometimes days. The texture, the proportion, all of it requires real skill and patience. But with AI, we can describe what we want and a usable 3D model appear in our scene almost instantly. Ready to refine, ready to animate, ready to drop into a project. That's the Goblin done. Now something completely different. Okay, character 2. A girl in a red dress. Completely different style, a completely different complexity. Stylized human character have always been one of the hardest thing to model from the scratch. But again, AI handles the heavy lifting. The proportion, the clothing fold, the overall silhouette, all generated. From here, it's just matter of polishing and posing. What used to be a week of work is now an afternoon now. Two characters, minutes, not days. This is where 3D is heading, bro. And honestly, it's exciting to be a part of it. If you want to see more workflow, like how I did this, how I set up this, follow along.